Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to provide you with a couple of solutions or possible solutions if your meetings and video calls on Google Meet are lagging, for example, or if you have been experiencing lagging. So let me show you really quickly how you can possibly fix that. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your video call or meeting and enter your call's video settings. So what you want to do is click on these three dots here at the bottom, more options, and select settings from that drop-down menu. And here inside that window, select video settings here on the left hand side. And what you want to do, guys, is make sure that this one here, receive resolution, as well as the one below, send resolution, is set to a lower resolution, because a high resolution might be causing the lagging or performance issues. So I would suggest to try a lower resolution for both of these features. Alternatively, guys, it can't be ruled out that some of the filters and effects may be or might be causing these performance issues as well. So I would suggest to turn these off, at least temporarily. You can do that by clicking on that button here. And after that, simply click on that icon here in the top right corner to remove all applied backgrounds, filters, and effects. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and have a wonderful day.